Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully, you are doing absolutely amazing. This is your boy krishush again with another fantastic video. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn about break, continue, and return a statement, what the statements are, and how it works. So, first of all, the jump statement. Oh, we have not mentioned about jump, but yeah, all the statements are known as jump statement. And let me give you a definition of jump statement. It is used to transfer the control from one point to another point in the program. These are three jump statements are used in Java: break statement, continue statement, and return statement. So let's talk about break statement. What is this? It is used to transfer the control out of the body of loops. And because mostly break, return, and continue the statements are mostly break or continue statements are used in loops, or you can also use for switch or for lots of things, like for in if else also you can use it. But yeah, mostly we are going to use it in loops because we need there. So yeah, in other words, we can say that it terminates the current loop. Yeah, as I had told you. And last point is also same. Break statements are mostly used with loop and switch statements. So yeah, as you can see on the continuous statement, it is used to skip the next statement and continue the loop. Yeah, most of the time what we need to do is we just want an answer, and after we are getting that answer, we don't want to continue that loop, that same loop. So that in that case we can put the continue. And if we'll talk about break, so if we don't want if we don't want to go ahead from that answer, so we can choose a break. Or if we don't want to go ahead on the same body, so that we can put the break statement. So yeah, continuous statements are mostly used with loops, as I had told you. So if we will talk about the last one, which is a return statement. So return statement terminates the current function and transfer the control to the calling function. We can also use return statement to transfer the value from one function to another function. So yeah, that things are easy, and we are also going to learn these things and code, but in next video. So for that, you must subscribe our channel if you have not yet, and please don't forget to like the video. If you really have enjoyed this, like, comment below, subscribe, and press the notification. And please don't forget to share with your friends who's learning Java. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.